I think I'm coughing on stream here, so welcome to the stream. We'll be coughing today. Just kidding. I just had coffee though. Oh, look at this. Among Us. Is that Naruto? Alright. Fastest mode. I am definitely not the fastest. Okay, let me test the TTS.
Programmer Jeff said, TTS.
There we go. Okay. That's a decent loudness, I guess. Okay, 300 football players in a football center. 300 players. Okay, these players are divided in a total of 25 teams with 12 players. Carries a 3. I guess that works. Okay. Level of teams is ranked in descending order with the letters going from B to Z. No A teams, huh? Each player receives a badge on which is written the letter of his team in capital letters. And his rank is in this team. You must give the ranking of a given player out of the 300 players in the center using his badge. Note if a team letter is not between B and Z, output coach, or if his rank in his team is higher than 12, output substitute. Higher than because 12 players. Okay. You'll never have a coach and a substitute at the same time. Really. For example, the player with the B1 badge is ranked first, and the player with the Z12 badge is 300th. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. Output coach. If the team letter is not between B and Z, output coach. Or if his rank is in his team is higher than 12. Oh, I see. Okay. I gotcha. B1. That's it? That's all we do? Oh, okay. Crazy. So the first thing is we just go with actually, can we go like this? Can you do that? And with B, we want to know if it's... B is 2, right? But really, B is 1. So if we want to get 1 from that, we'll just go like that. So actually we can check right here. Actually, if A, well, let's do it this way. So what was the coach thing? If his rank is in teams higher than output, if the team letter is not between B and Z, output coach. If A is less than, because it's only 25. Hold on. If A, and let's just put it right here, minus 65. So if A is less than 1, or A is greater than 25, C out, coach. Okay, so that's if a coach So then we need to get the, so it's going to be 1 or 12, all the way up to 12. So the next 2 letters. So here we go. If b dot length is equal to 2, then we want to go int c equals. So if it's 2, then we would just want to get the number, which should be between 1 and 9, right? There's no 0. So it's literally 1 through 12, not 0 through 11. Okay, so C equals int of b sub 1. And then we want to subtract, what's the number 1? What is the number 1? 49? 49. So if we subtract 48, 1 will be 1. Minus 48. So then we're going to go C out. So it's going to be A times 25 plus C. So how can we test that? Does that do it? Found 26. Oops. Oh, but we do need to go... Oh, let's just do this. 0, 24, and let's subtract 1. That appears to work. However, if the length is 3, is there ever a situation where it's not valid? Okay, I don't think so. So if we're at this point, we're just going to assume the length is equal to 3. So it's either 1 through 12 or greater than that. So let's figure out and b length 2, it's never going to be a substitute. Okay, so if the length is 3, there's 3 options. Actually, 4 options. 10, 11, 12, and substitute. So all we want to do is, we could do that, but let's do this. Let's do this. Int d equals int b sub... Actually, we're going for sub 2 minus 48. Okay, so that'll give us the number. And let's go like a C out D. Excuse me, let's find one where we see that. 26. Oh, it printed 26 and 26 is wrong. So we have other issues. Z12 and then we get 2. So right here is at least working. What's this one? What am I doing wrong here? C1, 26. So if it's C, it will be 25 plus 1 should be 26. So A times 25 here. Because if it's B, it's 0, right? If it's C, then it should be 1. So this should have been 1 plus C, which is 1. So it'd be 25 plus 1 is, oh. So what's A? Will you stop typing ended? So A is 1. So C is not expected, what, 13? Oh wait, what, C1? That's not 13 though. Oh, because it's times 12, I'm an idiot. There's only 12 players on a team. Alright. There we go. Okay. So now back to what we were doing on this one. Okay, Z12. So D is 2. Right. Okay, so then we're just going to go if D is less than 3, right? Then we're just going to go C out A times 12 plus 10 plus D. Otherwise, okay, pretty sure we can just comment these out. Coach, substitute. All right, we got it. Very nice. Very nice. Dude did it in Java, huh? Team rank B or Z, coach. Greater than B or less than Z, position equals coach. Else, if player rank is greater than 12, so otherwise, position equals, oh, if not B or Z. Okay, I didn't see the note there.
Bulbasaur said, "Hey Jeff. I don't know if you remember me, but I used to live in OS."
Oh yeah, I do. You used to work at the,
Bulbasaur said,
Have a
"I
heart.
love how you are streaming your coding work, man."
How you doing? I've seen you streaming on there too. Oh, how you feeling these days? I heard you had a bad...
Bulbasaur said, "Bulba 1 rave, Bulba 1 rave, Bulba 1 rave, Bulba 1 rave, Bulba 1 rave."
Heard you had a bad accident, dude. That's crazy stuff. Glad to see you at least recovered, you know. Yeah, I'm doing a video game. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to do some Twitch integration with it because I just figured out Twitch integration. But it's a space trader, like a little 2D space trader like this, and then you fly around to the little planets and stuff, and then you land down on the planets, and it's like a voxel world like Minecraft.
Bulbasaur said, "Bulba 1 vibin', Bulba 1 vibin', Bulba 1 vibin', Bulba 1 vibin', Bulba 1 vibin'."
And I'm just kind of...
Bulbasaur said, "I love it."
I'm just kind of playing around with stuff, you know, the voxels, and I love Minecraft, so I figure I'd make a game that could perhaps catch a little bit of that Minecraft vibe. Oh, here's the Twitch integration working right here. Bulba vibin'. Cool. Yeah, as soon as I figure out how to do the parsing on this, which is why I'm doing my coding games in C++. I'm doing all these in C++ now. Then it'll help me with this Twitch integration, because it's all string manipulation. And yeah, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. I'm currently not working. I was at the casino, but I quit last week and a half ago. Don't tell anybody. Doesn't matter, just kidding. But I'm hoping to give a good boost to the game dev portion of my life and release the demo here soon. Hopefully this week, but I don't know. Probably by, I don't know when. But good to see you. I saw you recently started streaming again too. That's awesome. I would shout you out, but I have no viewers, dude. I have boring stream codes and I'm not on a schedule. I'm working on that, but this is pretty good music tonight. I think I had a bad experience with this before, but it's pretty good music.
Bulbazar said, GL in your upcoming clash. I've never done it before. Bulbazar said, I'm going to lurk in your channel.
Oh, okay. Do you want to do a clash? I can do a private clash. GL in your upcoming oh, good luck. Oh, okay, cool.
Bulbazar said, while I do some gaming Bulba 1 dab Bulba 1 dab Bulba 1 dab.
Cool. What game you playing? Bum, ba, ba, bum. Yep, I'm still living in Ocean Shores too. I live right behind the convention center, pretty much. Given an integer m, find the biggest integer n that we can obtain with the same number of 0 and 1. You know what, let me do... I do this a little bit. I don't know if... Have you ever seen this voice mod? It's kind of fun. I'll turn it on here real quick after it warms up and does all the stuff it does here. Find the biggest integer n that we can obtain with the same...
Well, that's interesting. What an interesting problem. Narrator, Matt, cartoon woman, magic chords. Let's go with this one. Is this one... Is it on there? Did I hear myself? Is it... Baby, baby? Baby! It's kind of cool. Baby voice. Baby voice! Okay, so... Boy, how do we do this one? So I know what the problem is, but I don't know how to... Because what you would want to do is... In the biggest integer that we can obtain with the same number of 0 and 1 as in the binary representation of m. So we need to get to the binary representation of m. Isn't there a way to do that with cout? So first of all, print n, right? So just printing n, we get 5. Okay. So can I go... No, I'm sure there's a way to do it. Let's see. Lambda expression. Okay, so in C++, how do I print the binary rep of n int, please? Interesting. There we go. Constructs a bit set of 32 bits from the integer number. So wait a minute. The biggest integer using the digits of the binary representation of m. And m is less than 1,000? Okay, that's a little bit misleading. The whole problem is a little bit misleading because the binary representation of an integer, they're all the same. They're going to be 32 bits. But I think what they're actually trying to say is the very last digit is the maximum number of bits. So 1,000, yeah, okay. It's a little bit weirdly, they need a little bit more statement to actually explain the problem. But, because 5, yeah, otherwise 5, that'd be a huge number. And they're only expecting 6. Okay. Okay. What song is this? A moment of eternity. Oh.
Okay, we'll turn off the voice changer. It's a moment of eternity. Ah, okay.
Bulbasaur said, lurk.
So let's see. So what was this? STD bit set 32 number constructs a bit set of 32 bits. So for 5, that's going to be 1, 2, 4. The first bit is 0 or 1. The second bit is... So 5 is 3 bits. Isn't it? Because the first bit is 1. The second bit is 2, which is 3. And the third bit would be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 0, 0. I think it is. 1, 0, 1, right, okay. One, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, right, so that's 100 is 4 plus the 1 at the end is 5. Okay. So the reason 6 is the answer is because you take the 1 from the first place, the rightmost one, and you move it to the second one, and you can't get any more 1s, so it's 1 more. Oh. Holy gourd. Dude did it with Ruby, look at that. 7, what the hell, bro? Madagascar 7. Alright. I don't think I can do this in the time allotted. Qualify that. But let's try. Let's see what we get. So what do we need to know? I need to know the length of the binary number and the bits in that number. Let's see. I think I can do it with ChatGPT. So let's see if it understands that. Alright, well, let's see if we can play around with this. We have 6 minutes. So we have the integer. What's the name of the function? ToBinary. Oh good, somebody got it in C++. That's awesome. Okay, cool. So 101. At least I got it to binary. That's cool. Okay, so actually... push to the left. You can sort a string like that? Here's a simple way to do it using std sort. Sort, binary representation, begin, end, greater, char, what? Cool, hold up. Alright, one step at a time. So can we just out that? Does that return a string? Computer? Oh, hold on. To binary end. That's the string right there. Alright. Okay, why do we get squiggles? Oh boy. I'm not sure why no match for what? Oh, okay, hold on. Maybe it returns a string and we can just... Oh, I put the semicolon in there too. What an idiot. Alright. Alright, we might be able to get that though. Does that work? No. So this doesn't return a string? Oh, it manipulates the string directly, so we don't need the equals. Okay, so then we want to print... Okay, 3 minutes left. See, I know what to do, but I don't... You can convert the sorted binary string back to its integer equivalent by parsing it. Here's the completed code. Oh yeah, well. From binary. Right. Oh, parsing it for the... Okay, for the ones and zeros, and yeah. So from binary it returns the int. Let's try that. This is crazy. ChatGPT is nuts. From binary string, just takes the string, outputs the int. Okay, so let's just go cout from binary. Right, because I was couting right here. Nice. Alright, looks like we got it. Takes forever for these tests. Takes forever. Okay. So, oh, dude didn't share their code. That sucks. Oh, this guy did it in C#. What? This is all you did? Oh, C#. Okay, bin equals convert to string n comma 2. You can do that? C#. Okay. Count 0, count 1, C equals 0, count plus plus, count 1 plus plus. So if it's 0, oh, counts to zeros and ones. Okay. String max equals new string 1, comma count 1 plus new string 0, comma count 0. Oh, that's a genius way to build the string. Number equals convert int 32 max comma 2. Convert it to an integer. And it's... Okay, I didn't know you could do that either. That's cool. C#, huh? Console write number to string. Dude, that's awesome. How long did he take to do that? 9 minutes. Okay. So let's look at what ChatGPT did here. First, 2 binary, right? So int size of int times 8 minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. That's a multiple, that's using multiple conditions in the thing here, right? Or no, this is the whole beginning right here. Size of integer times 8 minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0. Minus minus. Int bit equals number shifted to the... Wow. Shifted to the right by I. What? Size of int, which is 4, isn't it? Or is it 1? I don't know. ANDed with 1. Bit or found non-zero bit. Result plus equals bit. Ternary. Bit 1 or 0. Found non-zero bit equals true. Bit or found non-zero bit. Interesting. Found non-zero bit uses a ternary to Dang. ChatGPT just on it. Result equals 0, chart C, binary result. Result shift left by 1 bit. Result shift left by 1 bit and set it equal to. Interesting. Add the current bit. Result plus equals C minus 0. Add the current bit. Okay, wow. I kind of want to look at that a little more, but just the fact that I could do that with ChatGPT, kind of cool. That's crazy. That feels good. I do understand everything about that code, but I don't think I would be able to... No, I could. I just, not in the lot. I couldn't do that in the amount of time. Maybe there's a quicker way to do it with C++. What? Use the built-in pop count function to count the number of ones in the binary representation? Create the sorted binary representation. Shift ones to the left based on the count obtained in the previous step. What? Count the number of ones in the binary representation. Count ones equals built-in pop count number. Are you serious? Hold on. Forget the next clash. I gotta try that. Actually, what's the IO stream? Is that all I need? I can put that in the Space Trader. I could put that right in my code here and try it. I want to try that real quick. So number of processor cores. Oh yeah, I was doing that earlier. Okay, so let's take out this. Don't ask me why I was doing that, I guess. Number of processor cores. Alright, let's just see what that does. Number equals 5. So the answer should be 6. Bum, 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 bum. Build errors. What's the error? Oh. Oh, please, wait, there's a please note. Is a compiler intrinsic? Oh, provided by the GCC to may not be part of it. So that counts the number of bits. But does that really work if the integer is originally Oh, you're right, and I appreciate you pointing that out. My previous explanation overlooked the fact that we're dealing with a standard 32-bit integer. Shifting ones to the left based on the count of ones could lead to incorrect behavior. No, it will lead to incorrect behavior. Unless there's a 1 bit on the first. Count the number of ones, set that many bits to 1 starting from the right, left shift. Okay, so yeah. Sorted number. Oh, create the sorted binary representation by setting ones from the right. Left shift to align the ones to the left side of the 32-bit integer. Oh, cool. 32 minus ones. Count ones. Ah. Count ones. And then it shifts it left. That makes sense. Okay. Interesting. Should I try that? I should try it. We'll try it. Hold on. Hold the phone. We crashed it before, or we didn't even compile. Let's try this one. Number of processor cores counted. Okay, let's put it right here. This is what I do to get in the mood for programming my video game. Number equals 5. Alright. There we go. Is that gonna work? Okay, cool. So let's just go over here. Number of cores, original number 5, sorted binary equivalent. Something went wrong there. Hold up, hold up. Oh, it even told me the... I totally missed that. It was... okay. What? You are absolutely correct, and I apologize for the confusion. Your explanation is spot on, and the correct code should indeed result in the decimal value of 6 for the binary sorting the number 5. Computer, you're killing me with this. Count the number of ones in the binary representation. Create the sorted binary representing ones from the left. What? Well, let's close down the space trader. Go back. I'm only doing this in my thing because Codingam has already closed the challenge. Otherwise, I'd be doing this in the Clash of Code web interface. All right, let's see what we got. Sorted binary equivalent 3. Oh. Here we go. It's going to update it again. See, this is why people have a really tough time with ChatGPT, because got it. If you want to keep the same number, you have to be very specific with your prompts. You have to tell it exactly what you want, and you have to go step by step. Like this is a So it's kind of an arduous process, but really, if it's something that you can't wrap your mind around, or something that you can't actually code because you don't know the specifics of the programming language, and you're going to learn a new technique, you know, like shifting bits to the right or left. I don't use that ever, so because it's not a good way to multiply or divide by 2 or powers of 2.
Infinite Coder 01 said, __ blue within _ pop plus _ built-in _ CLZ.
Didn't do it. Now I got the sorted binary equivalent. What's up, Infinite Coder? How you doing? I'm just fooling around with ChatGPT here, and not actually built-in pop count and built-in CLZ. Yeah, actually, we tried that earlier in the conversation. It told me that was an intrinsic for the GCC compiler. Because I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, this built-in pop count. But it's a compiler intrinsic provided by GCC. And it's not and some other compilers, and may not be available in all environments. Interesting, though. So how you doing? What's happening? How's your built-in pop count? Sorry, that was funny. Now I got 4 minutes left. Okay. Let's submit. Yes, sorry. My brain is fried. Already my brain is fried.
Infinite Coder 01 said, I'm doing great.
Cool. I am currently trying to adjust my sleeping schedule, so apologies if my brain is not brainy enough. No, I'm a little bit out of sorts. Went to Walmart earlier this morning, came back, and Let's see. But I got a lot of stuff. Gonna do some homemade pizza, homemade pasta, homemade ice cream. Maybe. We'll see. Alright, that's driving me nuts. Okay, we're fine now. Okay. So, having warmed up, let's see where we're at here. So we got the Twitch integration, and I'm thinking the best way to do that is to have the chat users participate in trade and gamble, be able to gamble their credits. So the inventory, you know, I don't really have a lot of experience with ImGUI, although I've used it. Oh, I know. It's in my menu. It's in the menu. So hit any key to play. Oh yeah. Oops. Uh-oh. How do I get out of this one? Oh. Okay, don't hit that one. Don't hit that one. How to play? Close. There you go. Settings. Okay, here's what I wanted to see. So, Dear ImGUI says hello. 1.89 whip. Okay, I don't know what that is. Examples. Whoops, what was that? Oh. Close that window. What I was trying to look at was custom rendering. Oh, look at this.
Infinite Coder 01 said, link to CPP.
What is that? Three?
Infinite Coder 01 said, oh, it's not saved.
It's not saved? I don't know what that means.
Infinite Coder 01 said, here, link to CPP.
Oh. Oh, does this... Oh, look at that. Oh, dude, and you did the... Oh, look at that. I wonder if that would have worked in the Clash of Code. I'm curious. Depends on if the Clash of Code compiler uses this. Cout 1 // ones -1 shifted. Wow, 32 minus built-in CLZ -1s. What's this one? Built-in CLZ.
Infinite Coder 01 said, leading zeros.
Ah. Shift to the left, 32 minus leading zeros. Ah, there you go. Okay. Returns the number of leading 0 bits in the binary representation of the given number. And, oh, okay, cool. Very cool. What is this? C++ shell. It's a free online compiler, proudly uses EM scripting to compile your code. Safely run locally in a web worker on your own browser. Please note that due to limitations of the target platform, certain system calls may fail. A lot of coffee was involved in the creation of... I like that. I like that one. I should use that for my Ko-fi. A lot of coffee was involved in making my video game. Please buy me a coffee. That's hilarious. Uh-oh. All right. Okay. Okay, so one thing I wanted to do, you know, I kind of want to do my own GUI with this, even though I've got ImGUI already in my project. But that opens up a whole can of worms. What would be the simplest way to do this? Okay, what if we let the player, let me think about just starting with the basic of the player and the streamers or the chatters watching the stream. So let's give the player, like, let's say we give the player like 1,000 credits, and then we give the streamers why don't we just give them, to start with, just the ability to give the player credits? Do we want to do that? So why don't we just display the player's credits over here somewhere on the screen? I mean, that's simple enough. That's simple enough. Okay. Did I work on this yesterday? I think I worked on it and then I got really excited and then I went to Walmart. Okay, so just in case we break things, test Twitch integration, basic Twitch integration. So how would this work? So the player, tell you what, while I'm thinking about this, let's just go into it and go over here and look at a planet here. There. So these are the warp zones, by the way, for the new people tuning in. If there's anybody. Okay, so like if we just, so this is what? This is the, and how would we do this? So we have the background stars, the ship, the planets, 3D blocks. Okay. Oops, sorry. So do show planet. Do show space. I think it's going to be in do show space. I guess what I'm thinking about is, and I don't really have this yet, I don't have player statistics. The player doesn't have any statistics whatsoever. There's nothing. There's no name. There's no credits. There's no resources. The player has nothing. Okay, so let's we have to literally create that from scratch. And what's the best way to do that? Oh, you know what? I think the best way to do that is to just, okay, we're going to create a new class, I think, and it's going to be player class. And in the chat, all the chat's going to be doing is just triggering. We'll just parse the commands and trigger events within the player class. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so show title, show space, show planet. Okay, show space. So if I were to do render title screen. That's a good one. I forgot I had that. Render title screen. Okay. Oh, it's huge. But I don't need to use all that. Okay. Okay, so to test what I'm doing, why don't we do this? Let's just go like this. Void show credits. And what does this one take? A window reference? Okay, so I think I need this. And I think we need to push a font. Okay. What else? ImGUI display size title screen. Adjust the size of your title screen. This will go before the end. Is P font a global? Did I make P font a global? I did. Okay. We're not going to have a menu. Got enough settings on there? So let's just call this credits for now. So where's ChatGPT? That's it? Cool. Where am I going? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. My value. Okay. So for now, let's just make this a global. Make it a global. Crazy global pin. Okay, let's do another crazy global here. Let's just call it credits global equals 100. Actually, let's put 100.25. Just so we can get the float in there. So here, and then we'll go credits global. Okay. I know, I increased it there. Okay, so I think we're fine. Show credits. So where's the whoops, what are we looking for? Do show space, do show space, do show space. So draw background stars, draw the stick ship, draw the planets, asteroids, and stars. Okay, so right here's where we want to call what did I call that function? Show credits, right? We need to send it a reference to the window, I believe. So, oh, the legs. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Where's the reference to the window? Space gems 1, I think it is. Dot window. There we go. Oh, 239. Well, we can just take it out of it. Broken already. What? Oh, I declared it down here. Alright. Son of a bean dip and flapjacks and everything. Flapjacks sound good, actually. Are we good? Are we happy? Take away all that. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What's it gonna do? I don't know. Oh, it's over here. My value, 125. Okay, so... Oops. Oops. Don't click on that. Okay. Okay. Whoa! Son of a bean dip. I hate it when it does this. Your interface with ChatGPT has been broken. Therefore, you are screwed. Thank you. That was actually quicker. Okay, if you want to position a window in the top right corner of the screen and have its size larger, you set the window's position using that and its size using that. However, because you want the window to size itself to fit the contents, you don't need to explicitly set the window size and use window flags. Always auto resize, make the window resize to fit its content. Here you can do it. Okay. Oh, this is the flag. Let me set that first. I can do that. I can do that. I know how to do that. Computer. Where are we at? In here. It's one of these flag thingies here. No resize. Oh, so let's set it to always resize. There you go. I think I found the right spot. No title bar, no move, no save settings, no scroll bar, whatever. Whatever. What else does the Oracle say here? Get the display size, set the window's position top right corner of the screen. Oh, the display size? Actually, don't I do that? Get IO. Main window IO display size. I already have that. Set window position. Oh. Make my window resize itself to fit its contents. My window always auto resize. Okay, good. So I just need this line. And display size is the get IO display size thing. Display size is the ImGUI IO. No, it's the main window size vector too. Okay, so where do I put that? What am I doing? Before begin. Before begin. Alright, let's put it before set window font scale right here. Okay. Oh wait, is that it? I'm going condition always vector. Okay. So that's cool. Alright, let's see if those changes are cool or not. Oh. Okay, so the debug window's over here, not sure why, but this value up there, that looks really cool. Okay, the debug window is showing. How do we get that to not show? Okay, then the next thing is going to be, we are going to the debug window, often called the demo window. No. It looks like the window title I provided as my window might be conflicting with something in your setup. Let's try giving the window a unique name and see if that resolves the issue. You can name the window something specific and relate it to what you're displaying, like value display. Wait, so what did you say? Credits null pointer? Value display and null pointer, always auto resize, no title bar. No title bar, always resize, no move, no save settings, no scroll bar. Let's just take those out. Let's try this real quick. Maybe I don't even need that no title bar, I don't know. See, this is what I don't like about ImGUI. It's weird. See, it's still over here. So I'm just trying to create a window, and I get... Where did it say to put the next window position? Display size set next window, and then begin happens down here. I also added get window flag no title bar, no reason title. If you're still encountering the issue, make sure there's no other part of your code that is creating an additional ImGUI window with the title debug, as it could be conflicting with this part. Make sure to check your entire code base, especially in the main rendering loop where the ImGUI windows to be created. Shaking my head. Shoot, I don't want to do a custom GUI, but I guess I do, but I don't. I do. That's just going to take so much longer. I was trying to do one before. Actually, I did one before. It's just this is so much better, this ImGUI stuff. Except for stuff like this.
MasterLith0 said, Control plus Shift plus F for debug.
Huh? Huh? Hey MasterLith, what's happening? How you doing? Control Shift F for debug? Trying to get away from the debug window. No. No, so my problem is actually this debug window. I wonder why it's even there to begin with. I mean, it's not that big of a deal.
MasterLith0 said, it's the global find command. InfiniteCoder01 said, link to get the...
ImGUI issues oh. This is probably it right here. Why a debug dialog pop-up when closing the window? Normally the implicit debug window is only visible if something was submitted to it. It means unless there's a bug, you are performing an action outside the begin end block when that window is closed. Performing an action outside the window, like set window position? So should I put that inside? I wondered if I should have put that inside the window. And this set window font scale, should I put those inside the window? Let's try it. I wonder why it appears at that spot though. Aha, thank you. So now it's just up there, but I can't see the whole thing. So it's, how do I move the size? Move it, just set window position, main window size X. What's this part? Do I have to, let's see, is that the X part? Do I have to move that further away? Is that it? Let's see. Or is it the other side? Whoops, I think I might have broke it. Hold on. Don't do it, computer, stop.
InfiniteCoder01 said, normally, functions that set state of next window are marked as set next XXX.
It might have been, so let's go here, minus 100. Is this a float right here? Main window size. What is this? Well, we'll find, can I just go 0.1 or should I? Are they integers? Is it a float? I don't know. Freaking out. Freaking out right now. Double the float. Oh, 500 it is. Okay, computer.
InfiniteCoder01 said, it's set next window POS.
Yeah,
MasterLith0 said,
I think it actually
set XXX. How scandalous.
I think it's because of the way that I had those other windows initialized or whatever. Huh, it won't move. Oh wait, it did move. Okay. That's cool. But I don't want it to spawn right over there. I want it to spawn here. Set window position, maybe minus 200? I don't know. Let's see. There it is. Okay, cool. So now let's just see what we can do. Let's see. What else did you say here? Thank you so much for that, dude. That's awesome. Normally, functions that set state of next window are marked as set next xxx. It's set next window position set xxx. How scandalous! Oh, you guys have experience with ImGUI? That's crazy. Oh. All right. Let's see. That's awesome. Thank you for that link, Infinite Coder. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now let's do it so that if you guys set a command in here, like let's go like this. Let's just say give.
Programmer Jeff said, give.
Okay. Then it'll bump up the credits there. So where do I get, this is all in the main. And eventually we're going to move this into a player class, but okay, where do we do it? Where do we do it? Where do we get it?
Masterlit0 said, I do not have experience with ImGUI, just C++/C# coder.
Nice. Received message. Okay. So right here. Okay, here's where the fun starts. Whoops. What I need to do is let's run it. Let's run it. You know what
Masterlit0 said, all the credit goes to @InfiniteCoder01.
There we go. So it doesn't resize the window? That kind of sucks. Oh, is it still based on the center of the screen? Oh, this is weird. Okay. Anyways, what I wanted to look at is right here. Let's just minimize that. Actually, let's restore it to its normal craziness. Okay. And then minimize it. So let's see. So, hello. Or actually, let's just say, like, here, give.
Programmer Jeff said, give.
Okay, so... So let's just parse message.
Masterlit0 said, tick.
Oh, soon enough. Soon enough. One command at a time here. So give. Okay, I think I got this. I think we got this. So let's go here with this little message here. That's it. Just string.find. Nice. String.find double quotes. Okay, so if
InfiniteCoder01 said, set next window POS should be above begin.
Yeah, but as soon as I moved it inside the begin, after the begin, it fixed the problem and took care of the debug window. So I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. Message find give. And what does that return, a true or?
InfiniteCoder01 said, you moved set text size.
Oh, was that? You're right. I moved them both at the same time. Alright, give me a second, we'll try it. Actually, I want to try it right now. Hold on. Let me comment out what I'm trying to work on here. Hold on. Because you're right, I did move both at the same time. I'm so clumsy. I'm so clumsy. Where are we at? Show start credits. This one, I moved that one in, didn't I? So let's move this out and see what happens. Yep, you're right, dude. Good call. Well, you really know ImGUI. That's kind of scary. No. I'm gonna turn into you in a few weeks. Maybe months. Maybe months, but yeah. Okay. Alright. Where was I at now? Thank you for that, dude. You want to be my ImGUI consultant? Totally would love to have that. So it's not equal to, what was it? End position? Standard string end position. If it's not equal to that, then all we want to do is, what's it called? Credits global plus equals, let's just say 5.00.
W1 Reared said, hello slash.
Hello. Okay, so let's fire it off and see what we get. Who was that? Who was that? W1 Reread D. Hey, welcome. How you doing? We're trying stuff out here.
Programmer Jeff said, give.
It went up, it works. Alright guys, fire it away if you want. Give away. We'll watch it go up in real time here. Anybody? Anybody want to give?
Coder 01
hey,
said,
there we go.
Give.
Yeah, man, you just gave, man. Woohoo! Okay, and by popular demand, you know what we're gonna do. By popular demand,
MasterLith0 said, give.
let's put in a take. What do you say? Take. Okay. Take E? Nope, just take. So now there's two commands. How about that? How about that? There we go. Now we can take in. Now we can give and take.
Infinite Coder 01 said, give.
There we go.
MasterLith0 said, take.
What? Where's my 5?
W1 Reared said, can you explain what's this game about, please?
Oh yeah, this is a space trader. It's in progress. It's construction. It's under construction.
MasterLith0 said, give.
Give. It's a 2D space trader like this. These are the little warp zones. This is the star. For these are the planets.
Infinite Coder 01 said, give some.
And then I'm going to make them like little voxel worlds when you land on the planet here. And I don't know how, but I want to incorporate this. Oh, see, this is the window. This is the window that it would show up.
MasterLith0 said, give 100.
Give 100.
Infinite Coder 01 said, actually, this will work.
Oh, that's
give.
a great idea. Give. Hold on. Give and then an amount after that. Okay, so I got to get really good at parsing these commands. Okay, the other thing is I got to put it in the player class. The other thing is I want the chat to have their own accounts. So I'm going to set up the chatters
Infinite
as
Coder 01
trade
said,
barons.
do scan.
Oh yeah, that's true. Give some. Okay. So yeah, it's a space trading game, and I'm just working to get it up to a. Thanks for the follow, man. For demo release and have it up on Steam here soon. I like the baby one, and I like the other one that I like is down here. It's called Harmony, but it's $35, and I'm really not gonna spend money on it yet. So I have to wait for it to shift to the free stuff. Maybe in 6 hours. Okay. Let's just exit. It's kind of cool. Okay, so shoot, I feel really accomplished with this. So, see, this is my problem. I'm just going to end stream, I think. I don't know. One thing, because my brain is going crazy right now with this. Let's leave it up. Let's leave it up.
W1 Reared said, wait, so this is not gonna be a Twitch game?
It will. It's
Laughing
gonna.
face.
It's gonna have Twitch integration. Like I can think I would like this is the player's credits, and then I'm gonna have the ability for the chat to have individual accounts. So we'll have like a show command where you can show, and it'll pop out your little account with your credits and your resources that you can trade with the player. So you can acquire resources, and then you'll also have a credit so you can sell the resources to the player, because there'll be little trading stations and stuff like that. Oh dude, that planet looks
Master
cool.
Lit Zero said, add quest.
Add quest. Oh yeah, see there's all kinds of stuff we can do. This is crazy. Yeah, that'd be so cool, because then you could, like, the game that I was playing initially that kind of inspired this is Starport GE. And when you first start out, you don't have any holds barely to trade stuff. So one of the quests is you go into the space station, you go to the bartender, into the bar, and the bartender hooks you up with a client that says, oh, I need a ride over to this
said,
space...
eval asterisk 55 equals 10.
55 equals 10, huh?
W1 Reared said, oh, so if I got it right, the actual gameplay will be actually idle-like.
No, I'm just including the Twitch integration because I think it's fun, but it'll be totally optional. So it'll be single player, and eventually I want to include multiplayer now too. I thought Twitch integration was impossible because I tried it 4 or 5 times, couldn't get it.
Said, I'm thinking taking inspiration from RimWorld Twitch integration.
Really? Oh, I'd never seen RimWorld Twitch integration. That's cool. That'd be cool. I've never seen RimWorld Twitch integration. Eval 55. Interesting.
Master Lit Zero said, Nook and Zest have done it a few times.
Oh, Zesty? Cool. He's cool. I haven't seen him stream for a while. My sleep schedule's all over the place. But yeah.
Master Lit Zero said, Blue Zest.
Oh, Blue Zest. Oh, okay. I don't know who that Zest is. So, okay, so let's, you know what would be really cool? Because what do I have, right? I have people in chat. So
W1 Reared said, I'm little bit confused, laughing face, so this will be a complete standalone game just with the Twitch integration with it?
Well, it's going to be standalone, but if somebody happens to be a streamer, they can take advantage of the Twitch integration. But Twitch integration is just going to be like a little, you know, just a little bonus. It doesn't have to be something that you play with. Obviously, if you're not a streamer, you wouldn't be able to use it. So let's have something like, whenever somebody uses a command for the first time, we could have a file. Oh boy, here's where we get going with the files again. See, like the data file. So the first time you use a command, it'll search the file to see if you have an account in the current game save. We could even just create a file name with that person's name.
Masterlet0 said, and I was instrumental in raising the price of Yorkshire Terriers. I think he had nearly 100 terriers at some point. W1 Reared said, got it, seems really cool, thanks for explaining.
Oh dude,
Smiley
thanks for being here and asking questions. I'm just excited about this, so I really so cool. So like if you guys gave the give command, right?
Programmer Jeff said, give.
So that would create an account. It would look for the Programmer Jeff file. Oh, that would be even easier. Just look for the Programmer Jeff file. .text or whatever. And then we could have, yeah, all the credits and resources right inside that file. And then once we do that, we could just have a little thing on the screen. That'd be so cool. I don't know if I want to use ImGUI for that though. I guess it would be easy to do that with ImGUI. So like the first time you give, it could pop out with a thing. Okay, and then in my Twitch integration here, let's see, not there. Where's it at? You know what I could do?
W1 Reared said, is this text-to-speech plugin your own too?
So, yeah, this is the Twitch chat overlay I've got right here. All the sensitive stuff like my OAuth is right in here. So I can work on it. Initially I didn't have the OAuth in a separate file, so I couldn't work on it on the stream, but so let's see. Where's the this one?
W1 Reared said, maybe a little suggestion to consider.
Absolutely.
What about disabling TTS for commands? Laughing face.
I thought about that, and I really like if you post the link.
Programmer Jeff said, link to YouTube.
See, it'll just have like, yeah. So the commands, I could modify the message that goes to the TTS. Just like this one, it doesn't say all this stuff. It just says link to YouTube. Oh, you can have multiple browser sources. That makes sense too. So I can just include a custom chat overlay with my game for streamers. I could just include a chat overlay. If I wanted to do anything special. That's cool. That's cool. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I see, because I want to do that. Okay, so actually, you know what I want to ask ChatGPT? Let's just ask ChatGPT here. This Twitch integration. Okay. Oh, that's it? Channel name, and then the message. Oh, channel name. Oh, that's easy. So let's just copy that. And we've already got the boost and everything going. So let's add that function. Oh, we don't need this function anymore. Boop. Send message.
Masterlet0 said, count tones.
Oh, that was from a previous coding challenge, counting the number of ones in a binary representation of a number. So why are there all kind of squigglies here? Alright, send message. So let's go into here. So process input, IO service pull, Twitch chat client. Okay, so for the setup, let's just do this. Send message. Channel is going to be programmer Jeff _ the message is going to be
Masterlet0 said, unbalanced parenthesis or curly brace.
really? Uh-oh. I don't see it. Well, let's compile and see what the message comes up. Is it going to error out? Sometime. Oh. Socket undeclared identifier. Oh.
Masterlet0 said, undo until the red goes away.
Socket was the undeclared identifier. What? Oh wait, I don't think I... Oh, do I have to put it in here? Chat messages? Hold on. Oh, it's right here. Oh, okay, so let's put the function in here. And then we'll just call the... because the class will be instantiated here. So let's put this in the class. Is this a private? Let's make it public. Don't judge. No. So send a message. There we go. So then here we'll just go client dot. There we go. So will that work? Why does it have to have channel name? That's just a... Oh, I see. So that I can... Okay, hold on.
Programmer Jeff said, the game has started.
Oh, it worked. Okay, nice. So I can just let chat know. Like maybe, okay, so we can just do periodic messages and stuff like that too. Very cool. So send message string channel. So don't I have the off token username? Oh, channel's just channel.
Masterlit0 said, really at programmer _ Jeff _? How exciting.
Isn't it cool? So let's just go, we don't even need this variable right here. Like this. Oh, we didn't use it anyways, it used the channel.
Masterlit0 said, also, are you going to get Nook to play your game?
I will ask, of course. Nook would be awesome. Because he is awesome. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? It didn't say it. It didn't say it. It didn't say it. I wonder why. Let's try it again.
Masterlit0 said, is there another send message?
There is not. So I broke it? What?
W1 Reard said, you missing the channel variable, right?
It's right here. It's already defined in the class. So I broke it. What the heck? Let's put it back, see if that fixes it.
Masterlit0 said, go to definition on the method.
It's right here. Channel. See, it's used right up here. But let me put it back and see if that fixes it. Or maybe it's just being weird.
Programmer Jeff said, the game has started.
Okay. Hey, there's no planets. What happened? Are they just out there? Or is there only one and it's kind of far away or something? I feel so lonely out in space. Okay. Anyways, so that worked, but... So, why doesn't that work? Const std string channel. So is this using... Bam, 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 bam. I wonder why. It's silly, but it's gonna drive me nuts.
MasterLift0 said, name the channel property to something else to print it. MasterLift0 said, or hard-code it for now.
I wonder why it doesn't show those variables. Oh, is it because those are global and they're not inside this?
MasterLift0 said, as in do privms #programmer_Jeff_plus channel. W1 Reard said, aren't they scoped?
Wonder if I go like this. Oh wait, let's go like this. String ch equals. Or can I go like that? Why does it let me do it there? Son of a... See right here. It recognizes it. Join your own channel? Thank you. Join your own channel. Okay. That's hilarious.
MasterLift0 said, where is channel defined and set?
Yeah, it definitely doesn't work there. It's in this part right here. The three variables, the username, the channel name, and my OAuth code. And eventually I'm going to have it as a text file that the program will read the text file. So, like for example, Nook, he could just put his username in there, his channel name, and the OAuth code from his tmi.twitch.tv.
MasterLift0 said, at worst you can print F to see what the channel is.
Oh, I see. It's a global variable here.
MasterLift0 said, I think it's a malformed channel string.
Whoops, what the? Where am I at? What happened?
W1 Reard said, I'm not really familiar with C, but maybe that end will do something. Infinite Coder 01 said, it's C++.
Let's try it that way.
W1 Reard said, basically the same, right? Laughing face.
Nope, didn't do it. It wants me to put this right here. It wants me to just write it out right there.
Masterlit0 said, the end passes the variable by memory.
Yeah, it gives you the address of. So it's looking for just the address of, and then the variable name is channel. So let's call this one channel 2.
Infinite Coder 01 said, well, there are things like vector, could, shared underscore PTR. Programmer Jeff said, the game has started.
So, whatever.
Masterlit0 said, and Jeff, what is channel? Masterlit0 said, I mean.
Oh, yeah, let me go look real quick. I just don't want to display my OAuth thinger, because I'll have to reset it. Oh, I see what the problem is. I got you. Hold on. Hold on. Hold the phone.
Masterlit0 said, write send message, programmer underscore Jeff
I got
underscore.
it. Hold
channel
on.
plus the game is started.
It actually has to do with it has to do with the protocol here. See the pound sign? So the channel is actually includes the pound sign already. So I can just take that out. There we go. It's the Twitch protocol for the channel name. So now I can go down to, where was I at? Where was it at? So we don't need this now. Now it'll work.
Infinite Coder 01 said, using raw Twitch protocol is brave. Programmer Jeff said, the game has started. Masterlit0 said,
see, because of this
sub.jpg.
because of this pound sign right there. Private message, pound sign, and then the channel. Alright. There we go. Oh, I tell you. Alright, I gotta get out and go for a walk. Let's see, maybe we could do a raid. Maybe we could do a raid. Let's see who's on. Let's see who's on. Oh, Mr. Wiggly. Let's raid Wiggly. What do you say, guys? Well, thanks for everybody for tuning in, for your help and everything. Infinite Coder, Masterlith, whoever else I'm not remembering.
Masterlit0 said, laughing face. Infinite Coder 01 said, bye.
Let's see, where's Wiggly? There we go.
Masterlit0 said, at W1 Reard. Masterlit0 said, laughing face.
Tune in more for crazy space trader antics in the near future. Let's see, raid now. And go here and stop streaming. Thanks, everybody.